saves time in everyday tasks by taking care of the little things that usually slow us down. Imagine not having to spend half an hour creating a quiz from scratch, or searching endlessly for the perfect way to explain a tough concept. With AI, those tasks can be done in seconds. AI helps you work faster by automating repetitive tasks. It boosts creativity by generating fresh ideas instantly. It improves clarity by simplifying complex topics. It helps provide step-by-step solutions to problems. And most importantly, it saves time so you can focus on what truly matters: teaching and learning. Inside IMAGO Collab, there's an AI chat feature designed exactly for this. Teachers can instantly generate quiz questions, summaries, or even discussion prompts. Students can use it to clarify tough concepts or practice writing in a safe, guided way. See how AI chat in IMAGO Collab makes everyday tasks faster and easier. AI chat helps you create engaging classroom activities instantly. AI helps you save time, so you can spend more time on creativity, learning, and collaboration. Discover the difference with IMAGO Collab now.